Are you looking to make smart investment decisions for the future? With the constantly changing financial landscape, it can be challenging to determine where to put your money. The economic climate of 2024 is shaped by a post-pandemic recovery phase, marked by innovations and adjustments across various sectors. Investors need to navigate through the complexities of inflationary pressures and interest rate adjustments made by central banks worldwide. As the world increasingly focuses on sustainability and combating climate change, green energy investments have surged in popularity. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are leading the charge, promising not only environmental benefits, but also long-term financial gains. With governments around the globe setting ambitious carbon neutrality goals, subsidies and tax incentives for renewable energy projects are becoming more common. The realm of technology continues to be a hotbed for investment opportunities, propelled by cutting-edge innovations such as artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain, and 5G telecommunications. These advancements are not only revolutionizing how businesses operate, but also opening up new markets and possibilities. AI's application in automation and data analytics, blockchain's potential in securing transactions, and the rollout of 5G enhancing connectivity and speed all present promising avenues for investors. Despite fluctuations in the market, real estate remains a cornerstone of investment portfolios, offering both stability and potential for appreciation. The shift towards remote work and the expansion of urban outskirts provide unique opportunities in both residential and commercial sectors. Investment in properties located in emerging markets or areas experiencing regeneration can offer high yields. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, also allow investors to diversify their holdings, mitigating risks while still capitalizing on the sector's benefits. Emerging markets are increasingly attractive for investors seeking growth beyond traditional avenues. Countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America show promising economic indicators, fueled by youthful populations, increasing digitalization, and reforms enhancing business environments. Fintech, e-commerce, and renewable energy sectors in these regions are particularly ripe for investment, offering high growth potential.